How to temporarily disable your account on Instagram. First thing first, you simply have to go ahead and open up your Instagram app. Once you open it up, head over to the profile icon at the bottom right. Then the next step is to actually head over to your profile that you see on the top right. So tap on the three lines at the top right. And once you land on this page, head over to Account Center. Then click on personal details, and here you'll find account ownership and control. Then click on deactivation or deletion. Now you can choose your Instagram account that you want to deactivate. Now make sure that you select the first option because deactivating your account is temporary, and it means that your profile will be hidden on Instagram until you reactivate it. So you could just go ahead and click on continue, and now you should be able to deactivate your account. As you can see, I have reached my deactivation limit because I have already deactivated it 2 times this week, so I'm not able to do it, but you should be able to do it without any problem. That's it for this video, guys. I hope it was helpful. I'll see you on the next one.